Hello everyone. Today I make a not so professional screen cap video on my current program. This one that you see on the screen, it's not the exact, not the same program, but this is the very program that I consider switching to, which is named CPP. Basically, just basic programming. I'm currently in something called CPA, and I think I'm being overwhelmed by too much work, and my grades are suffering and so on. So that's why I consider this. So whether you are international student or local student or non-students or experienced IT experts, I can tell you that uh, I have a lot of experiences in this program. Don't mind the extra tabs that I keep open. Uh, today, my whole point is about telling you what I've been going through. So, so ideally, if I ever switch to CPP, I'm gonna have something like this. So I'm not gonna click into individual courses, but I can tell you what they are. So, for example, in the last semester, I did this, which is about drawing flowcharts and pseudocodes. Actually, it's a pretty good exercise if you want to write any program. At least, at least you should come up with some. It's both pseudocode and flowcharts. You don't always do this, but if you do so, that'd be great. The second one was this. It's just about a bunch of PowerPoint files for talking. It's a lot of interesting topics actually, including the Internet of Things, IP, IP stuff. It's all introduction to everything. Very theoretical. And the last ever assignment, it was a group project. I did it with two guys, and it's very simple. No programming, no coding at all. It's just simple stuff. This one was an English course. Basically, whether doesn't matter, whatever school that you attend, you are gonna have something like this English course, just English. Okay, this one was a nightmare because it was just so difficult. Even for those classmates that I know, they are currently doing uh, coding assignments with really good progress, but still in this course they struggled. I did the same. This one was Unix commands. So if you know what ls is, if you know cd, actually I don't even remember that many. So that was it. It was actually easy. The only thing that kept troubling us, the students, it was this IPC. That's the keyword basically. General education course, you have this in every other university and college. And for the core courses, we always have these, such as I still don't take these two yet, and I'm having troubles in these two. So I can't say for sure what these are, but this one is usually about TCP/IP, and this one was like SQL and so on. And for OOP, then you have C++ and things like encapsulation, operands, left operands, right operands, operators, overloading, DMA, so dynamic memory allocation, and gosh, delete array and stuff like that. This one is JavaScript, HTML, and right now I have DOM, which is this. They literally have a website for this and things like this. Things like this. DOM. Okay, DOM is this. I think we are gonna have CSS as well in the next lecture in 10 minutes or something. Today, exactly today, right after this. So another two semesters. We have database again. We have OOP again. Software design. I don't know about anything here, but anyway, you can see the course titles and you know what it is. Usually Java. This one is about English again. And then for general education course, right now I actually have Italian and this is and then astronomy like this one that I'm having, stuff like this. Stellar evolution. That's kind of fun actually. And another general ed course. Professional options for CPP because it's just limited to 4 semesters. Then I'm gonna have just one professional option. So most likely this one is the most popular because data structures are just so important and stuff like that. So for CPA, the thing is for CPA, the whole difficulty is way more than that. So it's right. How come I can see it? It's okay. It's here. Advanced diploma, which is 6 semesters, almost the same courses that I taught just now. But then we also have work term, which is like a internship or what we call co-op here. And then there's another integrated learning term, which is work or even paid work. And then semester 4 is almost the same as you saw just now, but there's design number 2 and web programming again for this is an advanced course for 400 series. So for apps and services, and then co-op again, work again, and then project planning, project again. You can see 2 extra semesters, and then the for the professional options, you have literally 7 here instead of just 1, and the same amount of general education. So basically, this is way longer. Normally, it could take you 3 years, but if you're if so say for example, if you know C sharp really well, even though we don't have C sharp or Python here, if you know the things really well, you could basically ace in every semester. Then congrats, you can basically literally ace every single time. Not that everything is that easy, but it it really literally, to be honest, it's just so overwhelming by now. I'm in semester 2 exactly here, and I didn't even dare to take too much. So originally I started with just these two and then 2 general ed. That's why I had astronomy and Italian. But then even without these two, I already feel that this semester is just so overwhelming. So this is my current problem right now. Thank you for listening. I don't know what to do basically. I have there's a certain form for this. I'm not gonna show you for now, but anyway, to give you some idea what it is. So currently, I just got the assignment 3 yesterday. Okay, so let us see what it is. Right here, I have assignment 3. This one is already pretty fun actually, because here is 6% of the grade, and then okay, NASA, haha. This is the same as the astronomy that I was just talking about, and there's okay, so you're supposed to choose a topic. Gosh, you're supposed to choose a topic and then write some summary. Okay, this is only words. Okay, this is only English, and then you're gonna do HTML. That shouldn't be too difficult. This is like grade, I don't know, grade 7, grade 8 work, and then okay, some media resources. You've got to have photos and video. This one is already one of the more entertaining um, not so difficult assignments. So you are supposed to do, okay, source, index HTML, and I don't even see CSS yet. Oh, okay, we do have CSS here. Okay, classless CSS style sheets. Okay, forget the technicalities for now. This is the amount of work that I have, and for OOP, I can actually go and look at what it is. So let's say, for example, we have a workshop. I don't even have time to do all this. So right now, this current workshop looks like this: classes and resources. If you don't do it on time, you got 0 grade, and there are a bunch of rules. So first of all, you look at this text file, module, a ton of stuff. Member variables, member functions. If you know what they are, probably you can know how to do it. If not, then you are pretty much screwed. You have O stream, I stream, whatever it is, and then okay, suddenly you have unsigned whatever and member functions, stuff like this. And you are supposed to do using a test program. Test the program. You don't change this, but you're supposed to do. Where's the output? I don't even see the output. Okay, the output sample is here. Let me see. Okay, the output is this long. Okay, this is like a whole song or something. I don't know what it is. You're supposed to load some file, I suppose. Alright. Okay, so this is a bunch of. Okay, we have C string, we have text file. See, the assignment topic is this long. It's just this long. Okay, and then reflection. This one is one piece workshop, because the previous 5 workshops they're like 2 parts and really long. This is I think it was okay. This was, I don't know what it is. Basically, just operators, tons of operators. I don't even want to read this. Anyway, to sum up, if you know how this works, if you know how to work out the assignments, you are totally fine. You can ace. If not, you're pretty screwed.